Hello students, welcome once again. Today we are going to learn geography chapter, that is lesson number 2, interior of the earth. My dear students, in the previous classes, that is 5th, 6th and 7th, you have studied about the types of rock, volcanoes and earthquakes. You also studied about various spheres of the earth such as hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. Before we move to the interior of the earth, you do the activity at home. Boil half a liter of milk. When the milk comes to a boil, switch off the gas, keep a lid on the vessel. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. Take it to a side and tilt it. Observe what happens. Before boiling, the milk was in the liquid state. After it came to a boil, steam started coming out from it. After some time, a thick layer of cream develops over the milk. The temperature of the cream is lesser than the milk below. Thus, it can be implied that the creamy layer cooled faster than the milk below it, which remained hot and in liquid form. A similar process occurred when the earth cooled. Dear students, before boiling the milk, it was in a liquid state. After boiling it, steam started coming out from it, and after some time, a thick layer of the cream gathers or develops over the milk, and the temperature of the cream is very less or lesser than the milk below the cream. Thus, it showed that the creamy layer cooled faster than the milk which is below the cream, and it remained hot and in a liquid form. So, a similar process occurred when the earth cooled. Let's see what the scientists believe. The scientists unanimously believe that the earth was formed out of the solar system itself. Initially, the earth was gaseous, hot balloon. It cooled down as it rotated around itself. The process of cooling took place from the outer surface toward the Earth's center. As a result, the outer layer, that is crust of the Earth, become cooler and solid. But as we move from surface to the core, heat increases, and at certain depths, the interior of the Earth is semi-liquid. Dear students, the scientists unanimously means without objection. Without objection, scientists believe that the earth was formed out of the solar system itself. Earlier, the earth was gaseous and hot. Then, while rotating around itself, the earth became cooled down. The process of the cooling down of the earth began from the outer surface towards the earth's center. As its effect, the outer surface of the earth is found to be solid and cooler. Now let's see what efforts are taken by the scientists and geologists. Here, man has always been inquisitive about what lies in the interior of the earth. Inquisitive means very eager to know more about something. So, man has always been eager to know about what are lies in the interior of the earth. A direct observation of the earth's interior has not been possible as yet. Through various methods, the scientists have tried to estimate about the same. Here, the scientists used various methods. They have tried to estimate about the same. To inform about this, study of the materials coming out of volcanic eruption and the seismic waves is most important. Dear students, the scientists have studied the materials which are coming out of the volcanic eruptions. The materials are hot magma, gases, steam, etc. And the seismic waves. My dear students, there are two types of seismic waves, primary waves and secondary waves. My dear students, here seismic waves are most important. Matter coming out of volcanic eruptions consist of hot magma, gases, steam, etc. When lava cools and solidifies, igneous rocks are formed. Dear students, already I told you that the scientists studied the materials which is coming out of volcanic eruptions. The materials are hot magma, gases, steams, etc. When lava cools and solidifies, we found the igneous rocks. Through the estimates of the study of temperature, density, gravitational force and pressure, the interior of the earth was understood. For instance, for example, when we go deep into a mine, we feel an increase in temperature. It means when we go deep and deep, we notice that the temperature is increased. Similarly, the magma coming out of volcanoes from the earth's interior is hot. The magma which is coming out of volcanoes from the earth's interior, it is hot. And such estimations were made by the geologists. Several earthquakes occur in various places on the earth every year. Seismic waves are generated. These waves travel through the interior of the earth. The study of their direction and velocity helps us to estimate about the interior of the earth. Man has also tried to dig the bore holes in the interior to know more about the same. Do you know? Our earth was formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago. Initially, the earth was in a gaseous state. It started cooling through the process of radiation. The earth then liquefied. With time, the outermost part of the earth cooled first and became solid. This outermost layer of the earth is called the crust. Even today, outer planets of the solar system are in a gaseous states. My dear students, what is crust? We will see in deep in our next part. So now let's see about the layers of the interior of the earth. While going from the earth's surface to its core, major changes occur in temperature and density. With respect to these two elements, the earth's interior can be divided into three major layers. Means the layers of the interior of the earths. There are three main layers. First one is crust, second is mantle, and third one is core. The crust subdivided into two groups. First one is continental crust and second one is oceanic crust. Mantle also subdivided into two parts, upper mantle and lower mantle. And core also subdivided into two parts, outer core and inner core. Then, dear students, observe the figure 2.1 which shows the structure of the earth's interior. Here, this is the crust. It has two types, means it is subdivided into two groups. Already we have learned, that is continental crust and oceanic crust. The yellow part, this is the mantle, and here this is the outer core, and the red part like a ball, this is interior core. Dear students, in our next video, we will learn about these three main layers of the interiors of the earth in detail. So, my dear students, draw this diagram in the notebook and label it. Thank you. Have a nice day.